Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to convert measurement units in Excel. So in this sample data, I have some units in column C, and I want to convert these units from the measurement units to the left to the right. So in the first example, 50 liters to gallons. In Excel, you can use the function convert. Now, when you put in the function convert, it requires the number of units. So in this case, it's 50 units. That's 50 liters in this case. When you bring your comma, you move to the from unit. That is the measurement unit you are converting from. There's no simple way to guess the units that has been listed in this drop down. You can go through, or you can click on the convert function if you are connected to the internet, and you can get a full list of the abbreviations and the corresponding units. I've put mine to the right to make things easier. So liters is in quotes, it's case sensitive, so this is lowercase l, and I'll bring my comma in quote GAL for gallons. So 13 gallons for 50 liters. I'm going to copy this down to make it easier, so I'll just convert the units. So in this case, I'm converting from feet to meters, and I'm converting from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. And lastly, I want to convert from day to R, which is HR. So depending on the type of measurement units you are dealing with, you find the right abbreviation in the list, and then you simply use converts to get this done. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or you can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivities. All our old videos are here. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.